Sky Global Partners is an independent power producer based in Houston. We have been working in the ERCOT, Texas power market for about a little over 10 years now, and the power plant was created for the purpose of adapting the Texas power grid to a very significant amount of renewable power generation. Texas is a great place to put windmills. Because of all of the wind power, it meant for the co-op that their supply of power was very volatile, and they needed to offset that volatility, and they came to Sky Global for a solution to that problem. We started working on a customized solution, and that turned out to be the J920 product.
Okay, so this is the Diane XT4, and this is the local operating interface for each of the units that we have here at Sky Global. So the market screen provides us real-time load and market pricing information for electricity in the ERCOT market system. And then we operate and monitor the station from this HMI screen here.
This power plant is a total about a 50 megawatt power plant. When wind power goes up, this power plant shuts off. When the wind stops blowing, we can come on and create a stable supply source of electricity for our customer, San Bernard Cooperative.
So we have internet connectivity all the way to Jenbacher, Austria, and Jenbacher can look at our units and tell us exactly what's going on. In many cases, direct us where we need to go to make a correction.
This power plant is the flagship launch in the United States for the J920 product.